Okay, you call this, I don't know what, a life hack or something? So here's the issue. If you don't use glass to save your leftovers, and sometimes even when you use glass, especially if you put them in plastic. Hey, knock it off. They're trying to add their 2 cents. In this case, I had chicken soup stored in here. Once it's been stored in there a while, this stuff sticks really good to this, and you can wash this and you smell it. It's like, man, this thing still smells like chicken soup, and just throw it out. Now, of course, a lot of these you can just throw out because they're cheap. But in order to take that residue off of there, maybe I'll give a little more soap. Sort of got it in there. See, I used to actually put a little bit of bleach in my soap when I wash the dishes, but that is the secret. You take a little bit of bleach, you throw a little bleach in there, and I'm going to fill that with hot water and just let it soak for a bit, and it'll basically dissolve all that greasy residue off of there. I'm a cheapskate, so I don't like replacing these things unless they're really tore up. Wow, the smell of bleach. Good time to clean your sponge too. Throw that in there, that'll clean that out really well. And then I'm going to wash it with wash this cover with this bleachy, soapy water. Spray it in there like that now, spreads it all around there, and that's going to soak in it. And I'm just going to take this top and lay it right down on top of there. So it'll take care of that too, and leave this for, I don't know, just leave it for a while. And when I come back to it, all the residue will be gone. It'll be all nice and squeaky clean, and you don't have to smell that stuff in there and worry about it turn into something that gets you sick. Alright, that's about it. Just a quickie.